this we finished this line chart and scatter chart in last video. Let's continue. So this video, let's try to discuss a pie chart and the placeholder chart. So placeholder chart is not a real chart, just you put that into our placeholder. So let's first finish this pie chart. So pie chart is just a type. It's very easy. So use this chart type dot pie. So let's create our the samples for this. The target, we have this very simple chart, and we will make some the changes, give some the value chain the displayed. So let's starting from the scratch. So 8, 8, 4. Oh, sorry. So 8, 8, 4. Pie chart. First part. So let's close the earlier. So we still have something we can copy. So this one, let's copy the header. So let's just verify presentation to load, and to have here is not an XY chart. Now it's just the chart data. For this chart data and this style, we have this Excel chart type same, and we load this CM. And definitely we will have our tradition these two parts. So presentation and the ppt.save 8841.pttx. So let's run to have our file generate. Great. And before we have this initial, let's make the chart data. So chart data. So pie chart is we have our chart data initialed. And then we should have our category, and then we have the this one pie is just one series of the data. So chart data dot category equal to, so we have let's find this whether we have Q1, Q2. So this one is the same. So let's copy. So we have this Q1, Q2, and then cell volume. So we should only have one series, so 32, 36, 59, 24. So, and we have our series. So, oh, that is not. And the chart data, add series. So this one is digital cell volume. So those are the chart data dot add series. So we add this as the data series. Then we initial our PowerPoint, and then the slides also let's copy number 6. And then these graphics, these size are all same. So we copy that. Then we have the chart dot slide equal slide dot shapes dot add the chart. So we have this one, and we have the xl.pie. So that is 1, and xy with height chart data. So simple, similar. This is simple. We can run. So you can have this. In the last is whether you have this comma is no matter. So let's to see this file. The strange is there's nothing displayed. So digital, I think is we have something. So I use this single code, but this one is I use double quote. So here, and then sales volume is should not be have this one. So I'm LUNE. So I have some typo. So let's create that again. Now you can see here. So it's digital. So by default, this legend is already displayed. So it's not like this empty one. So I think it's the from the author writing this book is this library. Python PPTX may already have some change or improvement. So now some behavior is not exactly same on the book, but you can just notice those, and it's not a big difference. So let me copy this, and we continue to polish our file. So let's save to number 2, and if I run, I have our number 2 coming. Because it's too empty, so we need to have some value and the legend or whatever something is to tell people what's the real meaning for your this chart. So first is let's load something. So besides the type, let's load this legend. So legend position that we need, and also we need this data label. So from the ptx.en enumerate chart. Oh, so that is the same. Same part is yeah. So that means I should not add those again. So I should just Excel data label position. So that's coming from the same label, same library. So keep that the more simpler. So there's no change, and here is no change. And we continue. We should have the percentage calculation. So we have our sales volume. Let's add some the percentage, because I want to show like here. So if you see, so this percentage should be the sales volume divided by summary. So the total. So volume divided by sum sale volume. So the volume is the here is the loop. So for volume in sale volume, then I got our list with these 4 figures. So maybe we can see print %. Let's see. So you get this one. So it's not our percentage, but we can calculate that, show that as a percentage. So let's comment this testing part. So print is let's the author also do the same thing, and the chart data digital, initial the PowerPoint slide, and add slide, and make the position and the size, and this one is exactly the same. So until now, is we don't have anything. Is author again use this way. So I think it's what we should use is the let's put this graphic frame. So let's use the standard way. So chart equal to graphic frame dot chart, and then we're starting to have is dot. It's already have legend. So let's skip this. So chart legend is to the bottom. So position is go to Excel legend. Let's have a look now. Chart legend. So non-tape has the this one. So graphic frame is the slide. So it's like this way. So chart is not this one. So it's this one. So we put scatter. Graphic is this one, and chart is this dot chart as a legend. So let's have that chart as legend. True. Okay, so this line means it's still the value required, but actually is this already show the legend. So let's have a look on our part. This picture. Oh, this is the legend. This is actually is this data category. So now we have this bottom, and we should show that I think it's a chart plot. Let's show continue. Chart plot plots 0 has data. I have the typo, but let's finish first. True. And here should be the left part. Let's put this in the right. Let's have a look. Right would be better. Yeah, it's like this. It's already the data label is coming here. So, and then let's see. So we have our data label and data label. Let's see the. Now we can have our data labels. Data labels equal to this one. Chart data labels. And then data labels dot number format is %. So we use our data label is on the has data label. Let's run. Oh, so data label number format equal to, let's see. So plot, oh, here. So data label. Yes. Now you can see here is the percentage. And then let's continue for the last one. Is the data labels dot position is Excel. The data label position outside BND. So now let's run, but my data label is not from the value is not correct. So you can see now it's the 2000. So that is the chart plot. So data label is a plot data labels. And the data label number is this one. So data label has data label true and get the data label and use this data label change the position and this format. But the value is now calculated by this one. So percentage. I think I need to use this percentage, not the sales volume. So sales volume is here, chart data. I see. So chart data is add series. So my difference is here. Here, well, we need to add the percentage because percentage has 100 times less. So here, that's the issue. So let me see. So if I put in this now, perfect. Now this is my calculated percentage. And then that's all for this one. So let's go to here for this placeholder, the chart. when you read this 885, you can see here is until now we tried the 4 type of the chart, but all the chart is we start to create the chart adding as a new the shape. Since we in the last chapter we talk about the placeholder, so it will be very natural ways. You have a placeholder page, and within the page, and we put our chart into that placeholder. So because this PPT is a default master page, doesn't have the chart placeholder. So if we want to create our PowerPoint, we can use this test the document tool. So it has the multiple the placeholders, and then we have this one with this number 2. So within here is since I don't download this placeholder, the test document, I just wanted to read this code together with you. So putting that into the stakeholder, so you can see the first 3 line is the same as what we have done. So we also need to load the presentation, load the chart data, load the type, depending on what the type of the chart you want to insert into the placeholder. And then we need to import the PowerPoint placeholder type, and then load this existing text and initial this slide. But this slide is we have our customized slide master. So the number 2 in the author provided this file is the placeholder is our the image, and then this 4 placeholder in the slide placeholders. We will identify the if a placeholder is the chart. So if not the chart, then we will continue just skip. And once it is a chart, then we will repeat what we have done on the chart data, category, series, and then we put these 6 the arguments put into. But here is not using the PowerPoint the slide, add slide. We will instead of that is use the placeholder insert chart. Not add chart, placeholders method is insert chart. Then after that is we will also have the similar this style to put. So that is the placeholder chart, the syntax. So since we don't have that test file, so I'm not use this demo, the sample code here, but you can read the book and get some ideas. So the principally what we have discussed on the chart itself are still applying to this placeholder chart. So after all is we have done the primary the discuss about this adding chart. So we have the 4 chart as the demo, and if you read the source code, you may have the different. So if I load here, so chart tape, you can go to here. We only made some the column chart, we have the pie chart, but we have multiple other chart that you can line chart and the scatter chart. So if you want to try others, you can go to this Python PPTX, read their documents. They have the very nice samples that you can also follow. So that's depending on your real case. But I hope the principle and the sequence of the procedure to make our chart into your PowerPoint page, you can get that. So. And the next video, we will go to the table to see is how we can work with the tables. And similarly, is if you come to here, our mind map, the table is we may also use similar the way to and add a few the different videos, starting from insert, read, and talking about this placeholder table. Then this in the table is a different hierarchy of the objects, table object, the row object, the column object, and also cell object. And then within the cell, we can talk about the text and the style and the merge. This merge is quite merge and split is quite like the Excel. So and also in Word, whenever you have a column rows with the cell, you have this similar the method to do this activity. So see you in this working with the tables. See